All right, we are at Mr. Duke's house here in Centennial Lakes. It is 1:01 in the afternoon, Thursday the 2nd. Doing a repair attempt video here. The shingle in question is the one chalked in green. You can clearly see the crease there. So we have here Mr. Omar Cadius from Cadius Construction, and he is a master repair tech. Does a lot of repairs for various companies all across the state of Georgia. So we've hired him in to come over and take a look, do this repair attempt, get this taken care of, and see if it indeed will accept a repair. Note to the file, it's currently 82 degrees, probably cloudy. Shingle is hot, so if it is pliable enough to accept the repair, this would be the ideal circumstances. All right, so shingle was nailed correctly. You can see it was nailed on the common bond right there. The nail line was also nailed correctly, the one above it. That's why he's having to release the nails from and the fasteners from above it. Naturally, the pull through is there. What we're gonna do is clean up the area and then attempt to reinstall the shingle. Yep. Para respetando, así está bien. All right, so it's got a brush going just to simulate if there's any kind of weathering or damage. Yep, that one right there is compromised. Let me get on this side of you. So you can clearly see that one now has a crease across it. That one is beginning a crease right there in that left corner. What do you think, Omar? Good or no good?
No good.
No good. All right, professional recommendation is to have the entire roof assembly replaced, as the shingle will not accept the repair. Thank you.